You probably think decentralization equals crypto, Bitcoin, blockchains, NFT, Web3, all that hype. And to be fair, most of it was hype. But right now, something much bigger is quietly happening behind the scene. No, this is not the Bitcoin 2.0. This is decentralization 2.0, and it might completely reshape the internet again. Let's go back for a second. What do we call decentralization 1.0? It was the desire to remove full control from a single authority. Kill the banks? Bitcoin. Kill big tech? Web3 startups. Kill lawyers? Smart contracts. Kill artists? NFTs. Okay, that one got a bit weird. Check deep dive into decentralization history here. Billion of dollars, massive hype, venture capital money raining from the sky, and then boom! Scams, hacks, Luna crash, FTX explosion, lawsuits. Welcome to crypto winter. But not everything died. The idea itself stayed alive. Just quietly reinvented itself. Welcome to Decentralization 2.0. So, what is happening now? This new wave is much more boring, and that's why it might actually work, because instead of trying to replace everything overnight, people started fixing one piece at a time. Small protocols, focused tools, solving real problems. And step by step, a new decentralized internet is quietly being built. Let's start with where people actually live online – social networks. The problem is simple. Today your identity belongs to companies. If Twitter bans you, you lose your audience. If Meta changes their rules, tough luck. Your followers, your data, your content, not really yours. So now we see a new generation of social protocols, where your profile, your followers, even your content travel with you. For example, Forecaster. It isn't just another app, it's a protocol. You can use any Forecaster client, and if one shut down, you just move to another. Lens protocol works the same, but focuses more on creator economy. Imagine owning your entire audience across different platforms like YouTube, TikTok, blogs without depending on any company to keep your profile alive. Even Blue Sky, started by Twitter's own founder, takes a similar approach with their AT protocol. You control your social graph. Apps become interchangeable layers. Of course, if you want decentralized apps, you need also decentralized storage. The old world, you store files on AWS, Google Cloud, or some servers in Florida you don't even know about. In the new world, files are broken up, encrypted and spread across thousands of nodes globally. IPFS, Interplanetary File System, is one of the most famous. Basically, it's a decentralized Dropbox. Instead of location-based URLs, it uses content hashes, meaning if the file exists somewhere on the network, you can access it even if one node goes down. You'll ask, why would I keep someone's data and spend resources on it? Well, on top of IPFS, projects like Filecoin stimulates you. People get paid to store your data reliably. And then there is Airwave, which goes one step further, permanent storage. Upload something once, pay upfront, and it's designed to be available forever. Like digital history, but without depending on corporate archives. Right now, huge models like GPT-4 are fully centralized. You don't control the model, the data, or how it's trained. But open source communities are pushing back. Models like Llama, Mistral allows individuals or small companies to run their own AI. At the same time, projects like Bidenzor or Genzin experiment with creating peer-to-peer AI networks, where anyone can contribute compute power, models or training data, earning rewards for participating. It's super early, but if it works, we might avoid a future where just 3 companies control all intelligence. And finally, something called the Fediverse is quietly growing. Instead of one giant platform owning everything, you have thousands of independent servers, but they can still talk to each other using open protocols like ActivityPub. Mastodon is probably the most famous, a Twitter alternative where each server has its own rules, but the same system works for Instagram clones as PixelFed YouTube clones as PeerTube, or even blogging platforms. You are still in one big global network, but without one company sitting in the middle controlling it. But the big question is, why now? Honestly, because people are simply getting tired. Tired of being products where every click, like, message and photo turns into ad revenue for someone else. Tired of watching APIs shut down overnight. Developers who built entire businesses on Twitter or Reddit APIs suddenly locked out. No warning, no negotiations, just pay us or leave. Tired of seeing AI controlled by just a handful of mega corporations. The most powerful models, the most valuable data owned by a few. Centralized AI isn't just about tech, it's about power. And tired of censorship fights where nobody really knows who owns their content anymore. Your YouTube channel, your Instagram followers, technically not yours. That's why this new wave of decentralization isn't about making a quick buck. It's about something much more basic: getting control back. Let's be honest, it's not perfect yet. UX is terrible. Onboarding your grandma to Forecaster? Good luck. Funding is much smaller after crypto venture capital winter. Governance? Still Wild West. But at least this time it's builders who are pushing it, not just speculators. I think the next wave won't be fully decentralized or fully centralized. The winners will build hybrid models, decentralized protocols, centralized UX layers, open APIs but moderated frontends. Think of it like decentralization as a service. You own your data, you control your identity, but you don't need to run 50 servers in your basement. And even centralized services will plug into these decentralized networks. For example, imagine something like PeerTube, but with integrated AI services. You choose which algorithm helps you discover content. Maybe it's simply based on views. Maybe it analyzes trends or even personalized recommendation based on your viewing history. Similar to how YouTube works now, but under your control. You decide who runs the AI, and you can swap providers anytime. So yeah, decentralization isn't that, it's just growing up quietly. And I think we'll see a lot more of it over the next few years. If you enjoyed this one, like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what decentralization project you believe has a real future. See you next time and stay in tech!